Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will learn how to fix custom binary blocked by FRP Lock on Samsung. Way 1. Fix the issue with iSunshare Android Password Genius. Go to connect the phone to your computer and then make it connected during the whole process. Open a browser and go to iSunshare.com. Find iSunshare Android Password Genius and download it. After that, install it on your computer. Now open the software. Click Install to install the Samsung phone driver. After that, click Unlock Google Lock FRP. Click Start. Now you can choose the Samsung phone Android OS version to proceed. As most people do not know the current Android OS, it is recommended to try the first two options. Then follow the steps to set up your phone. Tap the back icon to go back to the welcome screen. Then tap Emergency Call. Tap the keyboard icon. Tap *#0*#. Then the diagnostic menu comes. Now you can click the next button on the software. In no time, it will send a message to your phone. Tick Allow from this computer option and tap the Allow button. Then click the next button on the software. When you see the successful message on the phone, wait for minutes, your Samsung phone restarts and you can use it normally. Way 2. Fix the issue with a proper factory reset. Turn off your Samsung phone. Press and hold the volume up and power button together. Release them when you see the Samsung logo. Choose Wipe Data Factory Reset option. Press the power button to confirm. OK, select Factory Data Reset. Alright, now choose Reboot System Now option. Well, the issue is fixed now. You can set up the phone normally. That's all for the video. I will see you in the next tutorial.